All right, resetting the maintenance minder light on a 2022 Volvo XC60. First thing what you're gonna do is put the car in convenience mode by just turning the shifter once. That's a good way to let you know you're in there. And then you're gonna hold down the minus button for the cruise control speed, and you're gonna start the car. Once the car starts, you're gonna see a little wrench flash at the top, and once it starts flashing, you're going to release that button. So foot on the brake, starting car while holding down the minus on the cruise control, and you'll see the wrench flash at the very top. And release. You'll hit OK, and that'll reset it for you. Like and subscribe if this helped you. Thanks, guys.